What's up, y'all? Final update on the snowstorm. It's been done for a couple days now. I'd say at least two and a half. My dog, she's trying to run outside, but I'll show you the ice. So out there, it has been melting quite a bit. The sun's been out since, I want to say, Tuesday. That was worse than what's over here. So this is just kind of a thick layer of ice. Yeah, it's all gone with. We had a lot of trees fall down. If you look at the dog park, you see a bunch of bushes. Those are not bushes, those are branches. But yeah, we're good to go. My family is safe. I hope you guys' family is safe as well. God bless.